Colin Kaepernick, the first NFL player to take the knee during the US national anthem in protest against police brutality, is the face of Nike's latest campaign, a move by the company that has people burning their gear and Donald Trump outraged.
Our research is focused on brand activism, which is a new strategy that we're seeing firms engaging in. Brand activism involves firms taking a stance on a contested, controversial, divisive issue. And our research question is aimed at understanding what makes brand activism successful for the firm. And in particular, we see success being based on authenticity of brand activism. In our research, we distinguish between authentic brand activism and woke washing. Authentic brand activism involves companies sending out a marketing message about their stance on a social or political issue. And when brand activism is authentic, that marketing message is backed up or supported by pro-social corporate practices. On the other hand, companies may engage in woke washing, and this means that companies do not align their corporate practice to their pro-social marketing messages, and they give the impression that they are more socially or politically aware than their corporate practices would indicate. For brands, what we would definitely see is that companies that engage in authentic brand activism are going to create associations for themselves as being credible, pro-social, and truthful, and this is obviously going to have positive flow-on effects for their brand reputation. Whereas when brands engage in woke washing, they are going to be seen as lacking credibility and misportraying themselves, and this is going to definitely lead to negative reputation implications.
Are really increasingly seeing consumers looking to brands for these sorts of practices, and as they're becoming more disenfranchised with some of the current government agencies and other forms of leadership, they're looking to brands and other entities that have some sort of power in the marketplace to try and affect some sort of positive social change. So consumers are really looking to brands to move into this space in the future. So how brands can do that, and whether they can be both a force for good and a force for change while still achieving a bottom line is a question that we'll see down the track.